it's your girl Janelle, aka Jaylana, and I'm back again with another video. And today I'm just gonna be doing a hair tutorial, and this is similar to my spiced up natural hairstyle back to school kind of thing, just without the gold accessories, and I did the partings differently. So if you guys enjoy this, make sure you like, subscribe, you know, all that, comment some positive vibes, you know. And so I'm just gonna take some detangling mousse and I'm going to detangle my hair because y'all see it needs some work, okay? So I'm gonna be detangling that. I got that product from Target. Everything will be listed in the description box down below, so make sure you go check that out. This style is similar to my spicy curly natural hair back to school hairstyle. That was a long title, but yeah, it's similar to that. And you know, the partings are pretty self-explanatory if you cannot see them, which I'm pretty sure I showed you guys better in this video than I did the last video, I hope. So I'm gonna speed up through it because this is a pretty tedious video. Just be careful you don't pull your edges too tight, and make sure that you don't grab hair from another section into the section that you're focusing on, because you can pull your hair out. So I also am doing a review for the First Touchdown Edge Tamer, and the one that I'm doing is, or using, is the orange one. It's a clear consistency. All of them have a clear consistency, and I love this product. It will be available in your local beauty supply stores, so make sure you look out for that. It's really cool. Like, it does not flick up or anything, so you guys make sure you go get that product, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna be detangling my sections and, you know, call it a day. So I'll see you guys in the next video. A huge thanks to all you supporters, all the subscribers out there. I love you guys so much. You guys are just awesome and have been really showing a lot of my videos love, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And I'm also doing a product review on the, gotta go get it. I'm doing a product review on the Touchdown Edge Tamer. It's called the First Touchdown Edge Tamer, and this is what one of the products looks like. You probably can't see it from here, but I'll have it in another clip. Can you see that? Sorry, y'all. There you go. This is what it looks like. So yeah, you guys, I reached 4,000 subscribers. My highest is like 1.5 something or 1.6. My highest views are like 40,000 something. I'm just so grateful for you guys, and you know, let's make the game bigger. I don't know what to call our game, but we gonna figure something out in the future. I think that's it. You know, do a little spin. What? Okay. What? No, I'm just playing, y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'm so sorry that I haven't posted. It's been like over a month and a half. Correction, it's been about 3 months now. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I was just taking a break. You know, you gotta feel motivated and happy and, you know, just inspired and all that when you do your work. So I'm feeling that now. I wasn't feeling that then, so I didn't want to put on a show for y'all. Like, you know, like a fake show. I wanted to be real about it. So yeah, we here and we out. So enjoy the tutorial, and y'all already know what to do. Bye.